In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound problem on Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, there are going to be different ways in order for us to fix this depending on the problem that we're experiencing, but I'm going to show you some of the ways that we can do it. Now, go ahead and type here Device Manager. What we're going to do first is update our sound software. So you're gonna head over here. You're gonna look at the particular device that you are using. In my case, this is the headset. This is headset. Right click that one and then update driver. Search automatically for drivers. If there is an installation needed, go ahead and do that one. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and close this, and we're gonna head over to the next step. Now, the next step is going to involve heading over to the settings, sound mixer options, and you're gonna go ahead and make sure that the headset right now is being chosen as the output. So head over to the output here, click this one right here, and make sure you are choosing the right headset or speaker for you. Now, another thing to consider is this one. Sometimes this will be muted, so go ahead and click this one if it is muted. Now, this is how the icon is gonna look like if it's muted. There you go. Another thing that I want you to go ahead and check is more sound settings. So click this one, and then you're gonna go ahead and scroll down more sound settings. Click here, and we're gonna head over to the playback. Now, again, make sure that you are using the right one. Sometimes this can be disabled. Now, I'm going to show you how that is going to look like. So you click the disable right here, and you are going to see a label called disabled. Right click that one and enable it, and that's going to fix the problem. So, yep, once that's done, another thing that you're going to check is this one right here. Sometimes this will be muted for whatever purpose. I'm going to show you how that is going to look like. Click this one right here, and there is the X. If you are seeing the X that is muted, go ahead and unmute that one, and that should fix your problem. And yeah, those are some of the ways in order for you to fix no sound problem here in Windows 11.